is not about fashion, it's about who you are.
We don't know even a single person who doesn't feel like dressing up like their favorite celebrities. Today, Hemal and I are going to tell you that a keen eye in fashion that we have, and just knowing the right places is all you need, and your bargaining skills.
So today we are going to present a little bit of scouting, what we have done to deconstruct these looks of our favorite celebrities of Deepika Padukone and Sonam Kapoor in today's episode.
As you see in these pictures, Deepika has been seen layering her basics with a statement jacket or a shirt. Her style is more casual and relaxed, yet smart. In all the pictures that you see, she usually wears her lightest pants with a white vest so that it blends in and throws over a floral jacket or checkered shirt. She has stuck to her basics again on the top, but this time the bottoms are bold and bright, so adding one bold thing to the attire is what she does.
So this is what we have for Deepika's style at the most affordable prices. These pants are always available at Zara, and regular vest can be found at any local street shop. And to bring a statement in your basic outfit, you can always team them up with a statement jacket which will add up to your style.
That is what Deepika does, right? She layers her basics with a statement jacket or a statement shirt, and it becomes a piece of attraction in itself.
Our second celebrity is Sonam Kapoor. She's more of a chic person. Her style has always been appreciated and is one of our style icons. She carries herself with such oomph that you just can't stop yourself from praising her styling sense. We see that she wears high-waist anti-fit pants that are a little loose on those thighs and taper at the bottom. They really give a very classy look. She usually teams it with a girly top or with a loose white shirt.
So let's see what we have in Sonam's style. These are the anti-fit pants that she wears, and we picked it up at a really cheap price from a local store. They are so comfortable and versatile. You can wear it casually or dress them up for a night event. And like Hemal said, t-shirts are a must-have, and I'm sure you guys must have it in your wardrobe. To add Sonam's look, like her bandleader jacket, we luckily found this bandleader waistcoat at a local store, and it was just for 300 rupees.
So the basic ideas of these looks is to just add a statement jacket to your outfit and makes it look so classy.
So tell us, how did you like this act of ours at deconstructing celebrity looks, and which Hollywood celebrity would you like us to deconstruct for you?
Send us your pictures of your favorite celebrity styles and we will tell you how hot it was on What Wear How Trend Meter.
Until next time, bye, and don't forget to post your pictures on our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, or just leave your feedback or comments right below.